You think the outside of this water heater looks bad? Wait until you see what's inside. So this water heater came out of a customer's home. She had it for about 20 years and claimed to have never serviced it. And yeah, she got 20 years of hot water out of it, but that came with the downside of loss of efficiency and potentially losing the safety features. When you have that much sediment building up, you can clog up your lines. So you really want to service these, flush them properly. This one here's got a lot of signs of rust, iron deposits. They've got leaks coming from fittings. And if this is what it looks like on the outside, wait until we see what's inside. Just the outer shell, so we got to get through here. There's going to be a level of insulation. More modern ones have a lot more insulation. See, it's all molds starting to form in the foam. All bets are off. When you're this far corroded and the damage is this far, this could be leaking into the potable water for sure. So I'm just going to try and chip away enough of the insulating foam. Try and get to more metal to cut. And you can see when we were cutting it, there was already water coming out of the bottom. So this tank's been leaking significantly. Calcium deposits, all kinds of stuff. Magnesium and sulfur can settle at the bottom and they kind of turn to a bit of a jelly. But this is all stuff that's going into your shower heads, into your drinking water if you don't have any kind of water filtration. That's the remnants and what was attached to their anode rod. So yeah, your anode rod is the sacrificial metal, so that these minerals and these deposits eat away at the anode rod, not the inside of your tank. These should be serviced regularly too. If you have particularly hard water, every year is not a bad idea, but at least every couple. Obviously this one's met its match and it moved on to the tank itself. So obviously this is a worst case scenario, but you can start getting buildup like this in your water heater starting on day one. After a year, it's good to flush it no matter what. If you don't, you're risking the integrity of your tank, the quality of your water, and the efficiency of the heater itself. So if you're unsure of the last time your water heater was flushed, click the link in our bio or give us a call and schedule an appointment today.